Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. This printer is Epson XP XP/4200. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this printer to a wireless network, show you how to add it to computer. To connect the printer to a wireless network, use side arrow buttons and go to Wi-Fi icon. The Wi-Fi icon is highlighting, then you select OK. Network connection settings, Wi-Fi recommended or Wi-Fi direct. So we want to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. So Wi-Fi is recommended. If you want to connect to Wi-Fi direct, then you use down arrow to select Wi-Fi direct. So we want to connect to Wi-Fi network, select Wi-Fi network, then select OK. Let's start setup. Connection via wireless router, Wi-Fi setup wizard or push button or others. So Wi-Fi setup wizard is selected, then select OK. Searching for wireless router. So it's searching for wireless router. The wireless router is found. Then you use down arrow or up arrow button to select the particular one. Then select OK to the wireless router. So it's showing us the wireless router and we need to enter the password. So to enter the password, you need to select OK. And the password section is highlighting red. So you need to select OK to proceed. Select OK. Then it will show you keyboard to put the Wi-Fi password. I have the information here. I have the Wi-Fi password information. So I'm going to enter the details. So use up or down arrow button to go to the information you want to select. Once you reach to the information, then you select OK to confirm it. Then you go to the next character. If you want uppercase, then you need to select uppercase. Select OK to uppercase, then it will bring out the character in uppercase. If you want to lower the uppercase, you need to select upper arrow again. Select it again, it will lower it. If you select it, you go up. Then you go to the character again you want to put in. Then once you put the password, then you go all the way to OK. Select OK at the end. Scroll down to select Start Setup. OK. It will show you connecting to wireless router. Setup complete. Close. Then you select OK. On the Wi-Fi network, it will show you a blue color highlighting on the Wi-Fi network. Then you can go back to the home page. Start Fireware. Going to cancel Fireware update. You can perform update from Fireware update in settings. So select dismiss. Then you can go back to the home page. So the printer is connected to a wireless network. After you connected this printer to a wireless network from the panel, if you want to add it to your computer, I want to show you the quick and easy way to add it to your computer. What you need to do is go to Laptop Start, go to the settings, select printers and scanners, add a device. We'll search for available printer, Epson XP/4200 series, printer and scanner. Select add. It's connecting, so you need to wait until the printer show you installing and is ready. So the printer is installed and is showing us ready. This is the printer. If you want to print a test page to confirm that the printer is working, give the printer some time, then you select on the printer from the computer, or you go on from this page and go back again to the laptop settings. Select printers and scanners, then select Epson XP 4200 series. Select on it. Will show you that the printer is idle. Select print test page. Printer start to one document is printing. So the printer is printing the document. Will show you Windows printer test page. You have correctly installed your Microsoft IPP class driver on laptop. Windows x64 printing complete. Then you select OK. Now, I want us to scan document. To scan document, what you need to do is you need to select scanner settings from Windows scanner settings. If you select open scanner, so the printer is available. To scan document, put the document you want to scan on the glass scanner. Face down. Make sure the document starts from the bottom right. You will see arrow on the right side of the plating. Cover the printer. Cover the scanner. Cover the scanner. Then from the scanner, select source, auto-configured. You can also scroll down to select flatbed. File type, PDF. Show more. We want to scan this color mode. We want to scan it in color. You can select grayscale or black and white. So color is selected. Resolution, maximum 1200. Can select 300 dpi. We want to save the file to document. You can select save the file. Then it take you to your computer for you to select where you want to save this. Want to save it in document. Then select OK. Then select scan. So the document is scanning. To view this document, select view. This is the document we scanned. To print it out, select Ctrl P from the laptop keyboard. Then go on the left side, select correct printer Epson Expression Home 4200 series. Selected. Then select number of copies, orientation, and layout, portrait. We want to print all and want to print it in color. Print on one side. More setting. Then you select the paper A4 fit to printable area. 1 page per sheet. Then select print. Printing completed. Then you select OK. Then you go back to the home page. This is the document we scanned and printed it out. This document was saved to the PC. So this is how to connect the printer to a wireless network, then add it to your computer, print document, and also scan document. Thank you very much indeed.